Hi, I'm Russ, your Get Set Up Guide. I'd like to invite you to a class called More Questions That Every Author Should Ask. In my other class called 6 Questions, I talked about things like format and genre of a book, how to determine an audience, and what kind of platform that an author needs. This class will follow up on that one. We'll explore some of these issues in depth, such as how to use beta readers, or early readers, who can read your manuscript and give you feedback. They can not only help you improve your writing, but give you an idea of who your audience might be and how you can write for them. We'll talk about how to use Amazon's search feature to find comparable books to the ones you'd like to publish, giving you an idea for a title, content, and audience. We'll talk about how to develop an author platform, beginning with social media and a possible website. We'll talk about how to find publishers that might be interested in your book, or whether maybe you ought to self-publish. I look forward to meeting you in this informative 1-hour class where we'll explore these questions and more, and I'll see if I can help you take your writing and possible publishing to the next level.